Prophet said, there are no days in which righteous actions, prayer, dhikr, fasting, whatever it is, there are no days in the year where our righteous action more beloved and better than these 10 days. The Sahaba asked the Prophet the question. They said, even jihad fi sabilillah, where one is willing to give his life for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, lose that which is the most precious to them for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet said, even that, these days are more virtuous. That's how special these days are. That's how special today is. And specifically today, ikhwani fillah, I want you to think about right now. Right now it's Jumu'ah. It is the best day in the week, Yawmul Jumu'ah. And you are in Dhul Hijjah. Today, you should be doing more ibadah, more Quran, more dhikr, more istighfar than you were doing any other day. You are in a day that is blessed, in a month that is sacred, and in the best days of the year, Dhul Hijjah. And this is why it's really important that we are in tune and aware of this.